Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the TI Nspire CX Roman 2 and confirming basic readiness. Plug into AC or ensure battery has juice. Insert micro SD or plug USB if you'll load files. Once the home screen appears, press Home to view applications and highlight Calculator or Documents. Make sure the calculator's OS version is recent enough for your files. If not, plan an update. Now open a new document so you can begin entering calculations or creating graphs immediately. Once your document is open, add pages for calculator, graphs, notes, or lists in spreadsheet depending on the task. Use the keypad and Control/Shift modifiers to enter functions quickly and the catalog for advanced commands. Press SDO right arrow to store values or functions. To graph, choose Graphs, enter an expression, and press Graph. Use Trace or Analyze to find intercepts and maxima. Make sure to save regularly under My Documents and sync with TI Connect CE when transferring files to a computer. To finish, save and export your work, connect via USB and send documents or screenshots to your computer. If the device is sluggish or unresponsive, try a soft reset first. Press Ctrl+ menu and choose Reset to avoid losing documents. If problems persist, back up files, perform a full reset, then reinstall the latest OS with TI's desktop software. Finally, verify graphs and calculations one more time so you're confident in the results before closing the document.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.